Hello guys, and welcome to another episode. This time we are talking about the head unit or radio that I'm mounting on my Alfa 75. This radio is a simple normal radio or a head unit, and I want to talk to you about some issues that I have with it and how can you solve it. So this is the one. This is the radio that I bought, a used radio. It was really a bargain, and several days later I understand why it was such a bargain. The radio does not save the memories. And no, the problem, it is not the red and yellow wire. They are not switched, they are totally correct. In fact, I tried this radio on several of my cars and on a 12 volt station, to understand if the problem was with the car or with the radio. And in fact, the problem, it was on the radio. Yes, it was because I could fix it. Imagine that. Let's see what did I find. And so there it is, the main board. So after checking with some fellow YouTubers, I saw that this chip here is the main, let's call it the main chip. It regulates the feeding of the radio, of the board, the memories, all that stuff. And I thought, well, maybe the problem is with this device here. But before I switch it, because it is very expensive, let's see here if I can see here anything wrong with it. And I saw with my magnifying glass here, this is okay, on camera I don't think you can see it, but if you can see still on those 1, 2, 3 top ones, 1, 2, 3, and this one, and these 8 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, they were worse than this. They were very dark in color, and the soldering was actually flat. It was not shining like these ones are. And I thought, well, maybe there is something wrong with this. Maybe if I can see close enough, and I can see some separation between the soldering and the wire itself, if I can call it a wire. Sure enough, I did re-weld all these 8 pins and these 7 ones here, and voila, the radio works. I did the 14-hour test on the radio. What I mean by that is 14 hours with the radio off, and when I switch it on, the memories were all there. Everything was okay. Stations, USB, color, all the settings were sound, everything was okay. Then I did a 24-hour testing with the same conditions, in same result, everything is okay. I did this for a week with a lot of different climate conditions, with rain, with sun, with shadow, and everything. It works very, very well. So it was a gamble. Yes, it was an easy fix. Before we finish, I want to give you a shout out to Max Coliban. It was that guy that gave me this welding station. It was a little bit unfortunate because after the first 3 minutes of working, the LEDs here stopped working. I heard the sound of something burning inside. I did not find out what it is, but check out Max Coliban. He is a comedian. He is very funny, a very funny comedian. Check out his channel. And Max, thank you for this welding station.